Clucky the silly chicken. In a peaceful farm nestled between rolling green hills, lived a chicken named Clucky. But Clucky wasn't like the other chickens. He was known far and wide for being the silliest chicken on the farm. One sunny morning, while all the chickens were busy scratching the ground for seeds, Clucky decided he was bored. "I'm tired of just pecking at the ground," he clucked to himself. "I'm going on an adventure." So, off Clucky went, wobbling out of the barnyard and straight into Farmer Brown's kitchen. There, he spotted a shiny pot sitting on the counter. Clucky, in his silliness, thought it was a giant shiny egg. "Oh my feathers! Look at this enormous egg. It must be mine," he declared. Flapping his wings with excitement, he hopped onto the counter, but as he tried to sit on the egg, the pot wobbled and fell to the floor with a clang. Startled, Clucky let out a loud bawk and flew around the kitchen, knocking over everything in his path: flour, sugar, and even a jar of pickles. Before long, the kitchen looked like a tornado had blown through it. Hearing all the noise, Farmer Brown rushed in, only to find Clucky covered in flour, sitting on the spilled pickles, clucking happily as if nothing was wrong. "Oh Clucky, you silly chicken," laughed the farmer. "That's not an egg, that's my soup pot." Clucky tilted his head and let out a proud little cluck, as if to say, "I knew that all along." From that day on, Clucky's silly adventures became the talk of the farm. Every animal had a favorite Clucky story to tell, and though he was a bit of a troublemaker, everyone loved him for his funny antics, and Clucky, he just kept being his silly self, always ready for the next misadventure.